In 1995, the Association of Bay Area Governments, ABAG, estimated that following a 7.0 magnitude earthquake on the Hayward Fault, there would be 90,000 red and yellow tagged apartments and single-family homes, 2/3 of them in Alameda County. They also reported that at least 10% of housing stock in Alameda and Contra Costa counties would be significantly damaged, resulting in $10 billion in damage. In 1995, post-earthquake housing was considered to be a significant problem. "Our housing will be decimated," was the headline in a 2003 ABAG report estimating more than 150,000 uninhabitable housing units after the Hayward scenario earthquake. ABAG estimates are based on statistical analysis of the housing damage after the 1989 Loma Prieta and the 1994 Northridge earthquakes. The estimates consider the large percentage of pre-1940 unretrofitted home in the Hayward Fault region. Since that 2003 report, ABAG has estimated that 26,000 of 163,000 housing units in Oakland will be uninhabitable following the scenario event. The Hayward Fault region has thousands of very vulnerable, soft-story, multifamily structures. These are structures with tuck-under parking that reduces the number of lateral force-resisting walls at the first floor. Recent inventories of soft-story structures revealed 22 buildings containing 1,000 units in Fremont, 400 buildings with 5,300 units in Berkeley, 350 buildings with 4,000 units in San Leandro, and just under 1,500 buildings containing 24,273 units in Oakland. Though many of the buildings on the lists may not be true soft-story structures, the numbers indicate a widespread problem with multifamily residential buildings. San Francisco has since completed a soft-story inventory. While the soft-story issue continues to be a serious issue, many cities in the Bay Area have taken the initiative to address the problem. On March 16, 2010, the San Francisco Board of Supervisors passed a voluntary soft-story retrofit program, which will take effect on April 19, 2010. This program benefits soft-story building owners who voluntarily retrofit their buildings. Cities that have undertaken inventories include those on the map. Retrofit of soft-story multifamily housing is relatively easy to accomplish. This picture is an apartment building right on the fault near UC Berkeley Memorial Stadium. There's a steel moment frame retrofit outlined in the oval. Risk Management Solutions, RMS, prepared the following 3 economic loss ratio maps. These loss ratios would be similar to the probable maximum loss, or PML, values required by many lending institutions. They estimate the loss-to-value ratio of structures. The loss-to-value ratio for commercial buildings shows many zip codes in the affected area with ratios near or at 30 to 40%. One issue pointed out in 1995 that remains unchanged is the disproportionate effect of disasters on low-income and minority populations. We saw this again after Hurricane Katrina and expect it to be true following the Hayward Fault event. The relatively quick, although not painless, recovery of the Oakland Hills fire region will not be the model for recovery of areas with no earthquake insurance and few financial resources following an earthquake.